Hello everyone, welcome to CLB Healthy Remedies. Ever wondered about the culinary wonders of beetroot? Well, today is your lucky day. We're diving headfirst into the vibrant world of beetroot, a humble root vegetable with a world of potential. From a vibrant beetroot carpaccio to a decadent beetroot chocolate cake, we're exploring 10 tantalizing ways to bring this versatile veggie to your table. Packed with numerous health benefits, beetroot is a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet. So get ready to discover delicious and creative ways to incorporate beetroot into your diet. First up, we have the vibrant beetroot carpaccio. This dish is a symphony of color and taste, showcasing the beautiful deep tones of the beetroot. Each thin slice of beetroot is a canvas, carrying the earthy flavor that beets are loved for. But it's not just about the beetroot. To really bring out the best in this dish, we drizzle a tangy vinaigrette over the top. The acidity of the vinaigrette cuts through the earthiness of the beetroot, creating a balanced, refreshing taste. It's like a dance of flavors in your mouth, each one taking a turn in the spotlight. The beetroot and vinaigrette work together in harmony, the perfect duet. And let's not forget the visual appeal. The vibrant color of the beetroot carpaccio makes it a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. This dish is a perfect starter for any meal, offering a burst of color and flavor. Next, we have the creamy and flavorful beetroot hummus. Imagine taking the earthy sweetness of beetroot, blending it with the nutty wholesomeness of chickpeas, a hint of garlic, a squeeze of fresh lemon, and a generous drizzle of olive oil. With a few pulses in your blender, you get a vibrant, beautifully pink hummus that's not just a feast for your eyes, but an explosion of flavors for your taste buds. The beetroot hummus, with its unique taste profile, is a delightful twist on the traditional hummus. It retains the creamy texture we all love about hummus, but with an added layer of sweet earthiness from the beetroot. It's a taste that you won't forget in a hurry. Serve it up with some warm pita bread or crunchy vegetable sticks, and you've got yourself a snack that's not only healthy and delicious, but also visually striking. This is a great snack option that is healthy, delicious, and easy to make. Moving on to a hearty dish, the roasted beetroot risotto. This is a culinary delight that marries the sweetness of beetroot with the creaminess of risotto. Roasting the beetroot is a game changer. It enhances its natural sweetness, complements its earthy flavor, and gives it a delightful tenderness that is irresistible. This roasted goodness is then mixed into a bed of creamy risotto, cooked slowly and patiently to achieve the perfect texture. The risotto acts as a canvas, absorbing the beetroot's vibrant color and rich flavors, resulting in a beautiful pink dish that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. The key to this dish is balance, ensuring that the sweetness of the beetroot does not overpower the savory risotto. Pair it with a glass of crisp white wine, and you've got a gourmet meal right at home. A comforting dish that will surely impress your dinner guests. Next on our list is the fresh and tangy beetroot and goat cheese salad. Let's dive into this delightful concoction of flavors and textures. Picture this, the earthy beetroot, its deep red hues hinting at the rich, sweet, and slightly peppery taste it imparts to every bite. Now imagine that paired with the creamy goat cheese, its mild tanginess providing a perfect counterpoint to the beetroot's sweetness. The cheese's velvety smoothness contrasts beautifully with the beetroot's crispness, creating a dance of textures that's just as enticing as the dish's vibrant colors. But there's more. The crunch of fresh greens adds another layer of complexity to this salad, with each leaf lending its unique flavor profile to the mix. Think peppery rocket leaves, mildly bitter spinach, or the slight sweetness of romaine lettuce. This symphony of flavors, textures, and colors comes together in a beetroot and goat cheese salad that's not just a salad, it's an experience. A perfect light lunch or side dish that is as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. Now let's move on to a refreshing beetroot smoothie. Imagine a vibrant blend of beetroot mingling with an assortment of fruits and vegetables. This is not just any smoothie, it's a delicious fusion of flavors, where the earthy sweetness of beetroot plays the star role. Think about this. Beetroot with its rich crimson hue meets the creamy banana, the tangy orange, and perhaps a handful of fresh spinach. Each ingredient adds its own unique flavor, creating a symphony of taste that's as exciting as it is nutritious. But the goodness doesn't stop there. This smoothie is also a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. It's packed with vitamin C and iron, not to mention the dietary fiber that keeps your digestive system happy. So, whether you're kickstarting your day or recharging post-workout, this beetroot smoothie is your ticket to a healthy, energy-filled day. It's more than a drink. It's a celebration of good health and great taste. A fantastic way to start your day or refuel after a workout. Switching gears to something more indulgent, beetroot pasta. This is where the humble beetroot takes on a starring role in a classic Italian dish. To make beetroot pasta, we first blend cooked beetroot into a puree, which will give our pasta a brilliant natural red hue. Then we incorporate the puree into our pasta dough, kneading until we achieve a smooth and vibrant dough that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. Now, the magic of beetroot pasta lies in its unique flavor profile. The earthy sweetness of the beetroot pairs beautifully with the simple, rich ingredients often associated with pasta dishes. Imagine, for instance, a bowl of beetroot pasta tossed in a creamy goat cheese sauce, or a beetroot spaghetti aglio e olio, where the subtle beetroot undertones harmoniously blend with the garlic and olive oil. A creative twist on a classic dish that will surely impress. Next, we have the hearty beetroot and feta stuffed pita. This delightful dish blends the earthy, sweet notes of beetroot with the salty, tangy flavor of feta, all tucked into a warm, soft pita pocket. The beetroot, roasted to perfection, brings out an irresistible sweetness that beautifully complements the robust, creamy flavor of the feta. The beetroot's vibrant color adds a beautiful hue to the dish, making it as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. The feta, with its rich, salty tang, cuts through the sweetness of the beetroot, creating a balance of flavors that dance on your taste buds. This Greek cheese, known for its crumbly texture, adds a delightful contrast to the smooth beetroot. The pita bread, warm and soft, serves as the perfect vessel for these flavors, its slight chewiness adding another layer of texture to the dish. It's a satisfying meal that is both delicious and easy to make. Moving on to a traditional dish, borscht soup. This culinary wonder hails from Eastern Europe, primarily Ukraine, and has been warming hearts and bellies for centuries. This hearty soup, typically characterized by its vibrant ruby red hue, is a testament to the versatility of our star ingredient, beetroot. The soup's flavor profile is rich and complex, with a delightful balance of sweet and sour notes. The sweetness of the beetroot pairs harmoniously with the tanginess of the added vinegar or lemon juice. Other common ingredients include cabbage, potatoes, and beef, all contributing to the soup's robust character. Borscht soup is not just a meal, it's an experience. Each spoonful transports you to a cozy Ukrainian kitchen, where families have been sharing this comforting dish for generations. So when the chill of the colder months creeps in, remember borscht soup. A warm and comforting bowl of soup, perfect for the colder months. Next up, the zesty beetroot salsa. This dish is a refreshing blend of sweet, earthy beetroot and zesty citrus notes, making it an exciting addition to any meal. The secret to this dish lies in the marriage of beetroot's natural sweetness with the tangy flavors of lime and coriander. To make this salsa, we start by roasting beetroot until they're tender and sweet. Once cooled, they're finely chopped and introduced to a vibrant mix of red onion, jalapeno, and fresh coriander. The salsa gets its zesty kick from freshly squeezed lime juice, adding that much-needed acidity to balance out the sweetness of the beetroot. A pinch of sea salt and a dash of olive oil round out the flavors, creating a salsa that's both robust and refreshing. This beetroot salsa is not only colorful and packed with flavor, but it's also a healthy alternative to traditional salsas. It's a perfect accompaniment to grilled meats, tortilla chips, or even a topping for your favorite taco. A refreshing and unique twist on traditional salsa. And finally, for those with a sweet tooth, the beetroot chocolate cake. Now, who would have thought that beetroot and chocolate could be such a match made in culinary heaven? But let me assure you, they are. The earthy flavor of beetroot pairs beautifully with the rich, dark tones of chocolate, creating a symphony of flavors that is nothing short of delightful. What's more, the beetroot's natural sweetness and moisture contribute to a cake that is not only decadently chocolatey, but also incredibly moist. It's a texture that is hard to achieve with traditional chocolate cakes, making this a truly special treat. And don't worry, even if you're not a fan of beetroot, the flavor is subtle, just enough to add a certain depth and complexity to the cake. So if you're looking for a dessert that's a little out of the ordinary, yet utterly delicious, why not give this beetroot chocolate cake a try? A dessert that is sure to surprise and delight. And there you have it, 10 culinary wonders of beetroot. From the vibrant beetroot carpaccio to the indulgent beetroot chocolate cake, we've journeyed through a world of flavors, colors, and unique combinations. Beetroot's versatility has shone through, proving its worth in sweet, savory, and everything in between. So, give beetroot a chance to star in your kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Until next time, happy cooking!